Welcome to today's video. If you're looking for ways to earn online using just your laptop, you're in the right place, darlings. We will dive into 10 ways you can start making $100 a day with Deepseek AI. Let's just dive in. But before we dive in, I would love to say thank you for everybody that is always tuned to Immaculate Show, that has accepted to really be seeing our beautiful smart faces. And as you know, with Immaculate Show, we are there to teach. We are there to make sure that we fight poverty with what we have and what we intend to learn. And the first one is content creation, AI content creation. First up, you guys, AI-powered content creation is very powerful. With Deepseek AI, you can generate high-quality articles, blog posts, or even ebooks in minutes, not even in a day, unlike the traditional way where you need a whole day to finish up your blog. Whether you are writing for your blog or freelancing, this tool helps you to scale up. It makes you get content. It makes you produce content and attract clients who are willing to pay very well. The second way is to make sure that you use it for freelancing. That is AI writing freelancing. Freelancing is one of the fastest ways to earn money. By using Deepseek AI, you can boost your productivity and complete more writing tasks, from copywriting to technical writing. The tool makes it easier to land freelance gigs that pays $100 and above per day. The third one is social media management. Social media management by AI, it can help you with social media, you guys, and we can talk about Deepseek in particular, whereby it generates engaging posts, it generates engaging captions, and even hashtags, which are highly optimized, making it a great tool for managing social media accounts for business. With enough clients, you can easily earn $100 a day just by handling their social media presence or social media platforms. The fourth is SEO optimization service, which is a darling and a gateway to very many people. SEO experts are in high demand. I can see them others in my inbox everywhere. So what you do with Deepseek AI can help you optimize content for better rankings. By offering SEO services, you can charge clients for keyword research, content optimization, and backlight strategies. Helping you hit that $100 a day is very easy, and it can be done on a daily basis. Virtual assistant tasks is another one, which is the fifth. As virtual assistant, Deepseek AI can help you automate tasks like email management, data entry, scheduling. With all this, you can use AI tools and you can do multitasking and you can even have multiple clients at the same time, which makes you to achieve your goal very easily of getting $100 per day. Graphic design with AI tools is now on the go, and everybody is earning money apart from you who has not yet known or who has not taken a bold step. If you're into graphic design, Deepseek AI offers tools that can assist with image creation and even video editing. Combine these AI tools with your design skills to create professional graphics for clients in need, allowing you to charge a premium depending on a customer and depending on the platform. Let's see market research and analytics as the seventh way to earn with your laptop and Deepseek. Businesses are always looking for variable market insights. Deepseek AI can help you analyze trends, customize behavior, and competitor data. By offering market research services, you can easily earn $100 a day, helping businesses make a data-driven decisions. AI-powered translation services is the eighth, which is so good, and most people, I think we should even be running for this. With Deepseek AI, translation becomes a breeze. It's easier. If you're bilingual, you can offer services of translation for websites, documents, or social media content. With the demand for translation services on the rise, making $100 in a day is just a small thing. When we talk about AI-powered tutoring and course creation, it touches my heart that most people, the few numbers, have known this and are already making money, but the majority who have even the capacity in teaching, they don't have. Use Deepseek AI to assist with lesson planning, curriculum creation, and even course content for online tutoring or teaching. What do you think? If I tell you that whether you're helping students with specific subjects or teaching in a new skill, you can monetize your expertise very well and very easily. When we sit down and we remember that there are some people who are business people, but they don't know how to start because they don't have capital and they don't know where to really do. I think of affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing, you can do it with AI generating content. You guys, if you use Deepseek AI to create compelling content around affiliate products, whether it's blog posts, reviews, or social media ads, this AI can generate content that converts people, and at the end, it brings commission to your pockets. But remember, you have to look for programs that do have a good reputation and good reviews, like Amazon. So what you need to do is to join these programs like Amazon Associates, and others that you can be recommended with. Then at the end of the day, you find you get hitting $100 a day in easy way. Is it really easier for you to get money from affiliate marketing? Yes, it is easier. And as I always tell you people, there is always a price for something, even if it is easy or it is hard. It becomes easy when you pay the price by concentrating, by learning, and also by being consistent. And it becomes hard when you just think that you are going to go open up join affiliate marketing program, then you just wait for money to come. No, you have to put in strength, you have to put in energy. At the end of the day, you will start earning when you are sleeping, but the foundation matters. With this right strategy of affiliate marketing, by using AI generated content, you can easily earn $100 in a day. Having said all this, I've given you 10 summarized ways for you to earn $100 on a daily basis using Deepseek AI. Whether you're using your smartphone, whether you're using a laptop, or using any gadget, provided it is connected to internet, you can really hit $100 using these 10 ways. The best part is you can start today. There is no need for tomorrow. All you need is a laptop. All you need is a phone and some dedication, some push that I need to make this money. But my question is, have you ever tried Deepseek AI before? Or are you even planning to do it when you're watching this video? Let us know in the comment section if you've ever done it or if you're planning to do it. And don't forget, you guys, when we are here giving you this, it is always 1%. 99% dive in and start learning a lot. And if you want to learn deep, you can holler me. You can even send me a message on peacechristine.com. There is always a small price to pay. And what is that price? We have a masterclass that you can pay 50% for 2025. We had put it on January, but we have scaled it the whole year because we need all of us to meet. This year, it is our year of my manifestation. Having said all this, you guys, can you share this video to your friends? And if you've reached here without liking this video, without even sharing it to somebody, please assist us do. Comment what you feel. Your constructive engagement is more important and we need it highly. Please subscribe. You can also hit that notification bell such that the moment we upload, the moment we come live, you can be alerted. You guys,